A home can feel right during the excitement of the process, but several weeks later, some buyers began to wonder if they rushed the decision, overlooked concerns, or chose a home that does not truly support their life. If you're a woman buying a home after divorce in Omaha, this video could help you avoid that regret. In this video, you'll learn how to recognize warning signs before closing, how to make decisions from clarity instead of urgency, and how to move forward with greater peace and confidence. Buyer's remorse usually does not happen because someone bought a horrible house. It often happens because decisions were rushed. Emotions became stronger than evaluation. Pressure replaced clarity, or concerns were minimized during the process. Unfortunately, after divorce, this can feel even heavier because the home represents stability, rebuilding, safety, and a complete new season of life. And this is why wisdom matters deeply. Number one, don't confuse relief with peace. This, unfortunately, is one of the biggest emotional mistakes buyers make. Sometimes buyers feel relieved because the search is over, an offer was accepted, and uncertainty is ending. All of these can fall in line of false relief. Remember, relief and peace are not always the same thing. Relief says, at least I found something. Peace says, this decision feels wise after I slow down and evaluate it carefully. That difference matters. Number two, revisit the concerns honestly. Don't try to push them under the rug or get to them later. Face them, ask the questions, and come up with solutions. Yes, go back and ask yourself, what concerns did I notice originally? Sometimes buyers quietly ignore location concerns, the layout of the home, maintenance concerns, and payment concerns, simply because they're attached to the home. And I'll remind you, instead of getting emotionally involved, go and reevaluate every concern. Ask, has anything actually changed? Or am I simply hoping everything will work out? Questions can definitely protect you later. Don't hide from them, address them. Number three, pull yourself together and look beyond the excitement of closing. Many buyers unfortunately focus on closing day, getting the keys, and moving in. And yes, those items are definitely exciting, but wisdom asks questions looking further ahead. Be honest with yourself. Ask, will this home support my life 6 months from now? Does this location truly fit my routine? Does this payment still feel manageable? Or will upkeep become overwhelming? Beautiful blessing, always remember, a home should support your life, not complicate it. Number four, be very aware of fear-based thinking. From experience, I know, personal experience, that fear can quickly become the biggest motivator for decisions. Thoughts like, what if I never find another house? Or I'm tired of searching. And even, I just want this process over. And yes, these thoughts can lead you into buying a home that you are not truly confident about. Remember, Fear often pushes decision faster than wisdom would. And yes, this is why, again, slowing down truly matters. Number 5, use the overnight test. This is extremely practical before final decisions begin. Before final decisions, step away mentally, stop scrolling photos, then ask the next morning, does this decision still feel peaceful after settling down? Number 6, confidence usually feels steady, not frantic. Unfortunately, many buyers feel like confidence means overwhelming excitement, emotional certainty, and even instant attachment. But wise confidence often feels wiser than that. It feels steady, thoughtful, and manageable, not pressured, frantic, or emotionally chaotic. And yes, sweetheart, that distinction matters. You know, when you walk into a store and you come across that shirt, that blouse, that outfit, and you're like, oh, yes, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then you get ready to purchase it and try it on at home, and you realize it don't fit right, it doesn't lay right, it doesn't accentuate you right. No, no, no. That is not what we need. That is not what we like, because we got to take it back with the tags, of course, on. Unworn. Please be honest with that. So, yes, being very cautious of that emotional attachment at the beginning. We got to let it go. Hold it, put it in the cart a little bit, walk around the store looking at other things, pick it back up, go try it on so you can really get a good feel of it. Unfortunately, you can't try on a house and then get right out of it. So being wise and making those decisions on the upfront, please, please, please do so. If you're a woman rebuilding life after divorce in Omaha, this content is here to help you make decisions with clarity, steadiness, and peace. If we have not met before, I'm Lynetta Anderson, your local real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Ambassador Real Estate. I focus on helping women navigate through the home buying decision process with clarity and informed guidance. Beautiful blessing, are you aware that buyer's remorse often grows when decisions are rushed beyond peace? I'm reminded from Colossians 3:15, let the peace of Christ rule in your heart. It matters in your life, whether you're buying a home, making large decisions, small decisions. If you don't have that settled peace, stop and reevaluate. Always remember that peace protects us from decisions that are often driven by fear, pressure, or even urgency. Watch the next video, Buying a Home After Divorce in Omaha, a step-by-step guide for women starting over, so you can see how this decision fits into the full home buying process. And continue in this series as you move forward with greater confidence, wisdom, and peace. Now that you understand how to avoid buyer's remorse after choosing a home, the next step is seeing how this fits into the full home buying process. Watch the next video, Buying a Home After Divorce in Omaha, step-by-step guide for women starting over, and continue in this series as you move forward in this new season of your life.